Betul. Betul. Good evening, everyone. Now, I would like to call the International Joint General Meeting of Centennial Leo Club of Richmond College and Leo Club of Chittagong Imagine Centennial to order. First in the agenda is religious observances. Thank you, everyone. I kindly request from you all to switch off your cameras for the national anthems of Bangladesh and Sri Lanka, followed by the pledge of allegiance to the national flag of Bangladesh by Leo Ishtiaq Ahmed and Sri Lanka by Leo Visit Ileperume, Leo pledge which will be done by Leo Mohammad Nafis.
আমার সোনার বাংলা আমি তোমায় ভালোবাসি চিরদিন তোমার আকাশ চিরদিন তোমার আকাশ তোমার বাতাস আমার প্রাণে আমার প্রাণে বাজায় বাঁশি সোনার বাংলা আমি তোমায় ভালোবাসি তোমা ফাগুনে তো আমের বনে গানে পাগল করে আমি কি দেখেছি মধুর হাসি সোনার বাংলা আমি তোমায় ভালোবাসি বিশুভা ছায়া মায়া গো বিছাইছো মাতর মুখের বাণী আমার কানে লাগে সুধার মতো মনে হায় হায় রে মাতর মুখের বাণী আমার কানে লাগে সুধার মতো মাতর মদন খানি মলিন হলে আমি তোমার আমি নয়ন জলে ভাসি সোনার বাংলা আমি তোমায় ভালোবাসি Sri Lanka, Namo 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 Mata. Sundar Sivarini
Thank you, everyone, and good evening. I am Istiak. Now I will read a Pledge of Allegiance in Bengali. Good evening, everyone, and thanks all. I am Istiak. I will read the Pledge of Allegiance in Bengali. আনুগত্য জানাই আমার জাতীয় পতাকার প্রতি, আনুগত্য জানাই আমার গণপ্রজাতন্ত্রের প্রতি, যার প্রতীক এই পতাকা। আমি বিশ্বাস করি মানব জাতি এক ও স্রষ্টার দৃষ্টিতে অভিন্ন এবং মুক্তি ও ন্যায় বিচারের সকলের অধিকার সমান অধিকার। থ্যাংক ইউ।
I salute the national flag of Sri Lanka, which dignifies the independence of my country and stands for all its people, united as one nation. I pledge allegiance to Sri Lanka and undertake to work towards its peace and prosperity in a spirit of tolerance and love.
Hello everyone, I am Leon Hafiz Ahmed. I am the past president of Leo Club of Chittagong Imaging Centennial. I request this part only for Leos, so only for Leos. Leo, please. I place up my hand, extended and open, to help those in need. I place up my heart, reach for it, and it will be touched. I place up my ears to hear another outcry, my eyes to see the plight of others, my knowledge to bring a man closer to his dreams. I place up myself for the betterment of my community, my estate, and my country. Thank you.
Okay, now I would like to invite Leo Ashmika Kodikara, Vice President of Centennial Leo Club of Richmond College, to welcome you all to the meeting.
Thank you, Chairman. A very good evening to you all. Chairman of the meeting, the President of the Leo Club of Chittagong Imaging Centennial, Leo Mahibur Rahman, Leo Advisor, Leo Lion Hasis Jayaratne, Leo Advisor of Leo Club of Chittagong Imaging Centennial, Lion Muhammad Amlan FCMA, Staff Advisor of Leo Club of Centennial Richmond College, Lady Lion Prasangi Kiringoda, the President of the Leo Club of Centennial Richmond College, Leo Kulit Satniti, Chief Guest of the occasion, Past District President, Leo District 306A2 Sri Lanka, Leo Mudit Jayasekara, Guest of Honor of the occasion, Region Chairperson, Lion District 315B for Bangladesh, Lion Muhammad Amzad Hussain. Special Guest of the occasion, Past Vice President, Leo District 315B for Bangladesh, Leo Mehdi Hassan. Special Guest of the occasion, Chief Coordinator for School Clubs, Leo District 306A2 Sri Lanka, Leo Tarini Subasinghe. All the council officers, club directors, and all the Leo Lions and prospects. A great pleasure to me to welcome you all for the International Joint General Meeting of Leo Club of Chittagong Imaging Centennial and Leo Club of Centennial Richmond College for the month of October. And I am very grateful to you all for taking off from your busy schedules to attend this occasion. Today's meeting is indeed a special meeting for all us, since this is the first time of doing an international joint general meeting with an international Leo Club. So a very warm welcome to each and every one of you all, and hope you all enjoy the procedure. Thank you. Over to you, Chairman.
Thank you so much, Leo Ashmika Kodikara. Next in the agenda is President's Address from Centennial Leo Club of Richmond College, and it will be done by me. Good evening, everyone. Chief guest of the occasion, Past District President, Leo District 306A2 Sri Lanka, Leo Mudit Jayasekara. Guest of Honor, Region Chairperson, Lions District 315B4, Bangladesh, Lion Muhammad Amzad. Special guest, Past Vice President, Leo District 315B4, Bangladesh, Leo Mehdi Hassan, and Chief Coordinator for School Clubs, Leo District 306A2 Sri Lanka, Leo Tarini Subasinghe. Our Staff Advisor, Mrs. Prasangi Kiringoda, Leo Advisor, Leo Lion Hasis Jayaratne, Council Officers, Leos and Lions. First of all, I would like to thank you all for gracing this meeting with the participation of you all. I am honored to be here and to address you all as the club president of Centennial Leo Club of Richmond College, Galle. I think today is a very special day for all my dear colleagues. Since we were fortunate enough to hold a joint international general meeting with Leo Club of Chittagong Centennial in Bangladesh to develop our friendship and fellowship. First of all, I would like to speak about my club. My club was established in year 2016, and currently we have 45 members and 15 prospects. My club was established on Richmond College, Galle, Sri Lanka. As a Richmond Leo, I am proud to be expressed that we developed our personalities with the community services that we are doing with full of team spirit and responsibilities. With the usage of that knowledge, I am delighted to say that we were able to organize many projects. Also, the spirituality we have gained from the social works are priceless. We have already organized so many projects and we are planning to do some special projects too. All my club members, directors, and my club executive committees is always there to help me to conduct these nice projects. They are doing really great work with their busy lifestyle. So we are organizing a musical event tomorrow and special webinar about women empowerment too. So I invite you all for these projects. Then we hope to do an interesting joint international project to develop our mental health. We are planning to some hunger project with other Leo clubs in international. Then we hope to provide some PCR kits for hospital too. We are planning some physical projects for next month. And I will try to do special projects to serve people around the world to encourage them and help them to develop their personality. I'm so happy to conduct this joint international general meeting with this Bangladesh Leo Club. So I would like to thank you, our district president, Leonard Kirivatudua, international relationship director in Leo district 6A2, Leo Gaimi Veerasinghe, and our Leo advisor, and all other who helped to success this event successfully. Then it's the time to finish my president's address, and this is the current general picture about Centennial Leo Club of Richmond College, Galle, Sri Lanka. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Good night. So next in the agenda is President's address from the Leo Club of Chittagong Imaging Centennial, and it will be done by Leo Mahbub Rahman.
Good evening, everyone. District past Vice President, Leo District 315D4 Bangladesh, Leo Mehdi Hassan, and Chief Coordinator of School Club, Leo District 306A2 Sri Lanka, Leo Tarinas Singh. I would like to say something. First of all, I would like to say something about my club. My club was established many service programs. Some of them were to help those in need. Some of them were helping poor children and giving them funds and helping them with their study materials and etc. And now I am very honored to be in this meeting with you guys. Now I am very honored to be with you in this meeting with you guys. It is my for this I would like to thank Leo Bajit for for this, I would like to thank Leo Baijit for for conducting the meeting, and thanks to Gami for Leo Gami for this meeting. It is it's a great opportunity for Bangladesh Leos and the Sri Lanka Leos to develop their relationship between themselves. So I have joined Leo since 2017. Our club was established in 2017. So it has been 4 years, and Leo has by staying at Leo, it has helped me to develop myself to and help many people. In my whole Leoism career, I have helped many people. I have attended many meetings, and we have done many meetings. And I am I'm very happy to be doing this kind of service program in future also. So I am inviting all of you to join us by supporting us. Thank you all.
Thank you, Leo Mahibur Rahman. Now I open the open forum for any announcements.
Good evening to you all. I am Leo Nadina Veerasinghe, Assistant Treasurer of Centennial Leo Club of Richmond College, and I would like to talk about a project we have organized at SOS Children Village on Children's Day 2021. We have organized a musical program for the children in the SOS Children Village goal from 9 a.m. onwards via Zoom. The purpose of this program was to have a quality time with children at SOS Village and to entertain them. Both our Leos and the children at SOS Village sang many songs and enjoyed the program. And it was a great opportunity for both of us. I would like to mention that our project was very successful with great pleasure, and I take this opportunity to thank all the Leos who participated, and especially the children and the staff of SOS Children Village for their support in making this project a success. Thank you.
Good evening to you all. I am Leo Amika Nimsat, Director of Centennial Leo Club of Richmond College. We wanted to take Leoism into school students and raise the awareness of them about Leoism. We thought that it would be a great support for the success of Leo movement. So we planned to do the awareness program Leo Reach with the presence of our past club president Leo Gamita Senaratna and present club president Leo Kulit Sarnidu. On Sunday, 17th October 2021, the program started at 8 p.m. with the participation of students of Richmond College via Zoom. During the program, the importance of doing Leoism was well explained by the two speakers. The program was very attractive as the speakers explained our club's proud history of 6 years, present projects, and future plans. The program ended successfully, making the most of the participants decided to be a Leo. Thank you.
Good evening to you all. I'm Leo Tamas Veerasekara, Treasurer of Centennial Leo Club of Richmond College. We have planned a project about women empowerment. It will be held in next month jointly with Leo Club of Ananda College and Leo Club of Gautami Girls College. We will be mainly discuss about the present situation in this event. We think it will be a great event for this community. Thank you.
Good evening to you all. I'm Leo Dumda de Silva, Secretary of the Centennial Leo Club of Richmond College. We are planning to conduct an international joint project with the Alpha Leo clubs in next month. Now we have already contacted some Leo clubs in other countries. It will be conducted in online platforms, which will be focused upon skill development of Alpha Leos. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I'm a treasurer of Leo Club of Chittagong Emerging Centennial. It is my honor to be here with you guys. As now, I would like to say something about our future project plan. But at first, let me tell you about our past campaign. We all know that huge number of children cannot study in Bangladesh properly because their parents are too poor to give them the needed aids for their studies. As follows, to help those, we have done many campaigns over and over to help many children to continue their studies. Some of our campaigns are like giving children the study aids like books, notebooks, pen, pencil, etc. We have been doing them is for a very long time, and sometimes we get them food to manage their hunger. So as following in this is future project a plan is to do a campaign and which will be in name Save the Children. That's why in the next month. That's why in the next month of November, our campaign schedule will be like this. On 4th November, we will do a campaign in Chittagong on giving poor children in studies like bags, pencils, pens, books, notebooks, and etc. On 2020, in 20 November, we will do a campaign where will give children food and educational material. Also, this is our campaign we will do in future, and we will do it in the next month. So I'm inviting you guys to join with us and support us as we save the children. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I am Leo Asif Mohammad Haq, Club Secretary of Leo Club of Chittagong Emerging Centennial, and it's my honor to be here with you. Now I would like to say something about our future project plans. I would like to give you a little speech about what our club does, so that you can have an idea about our future plans. In past, our club has done many campaigns to help needy people. Now I am telling you all our future project plans about our campaign, and in the next month of November, on the 7th November, we will be distributing foods among the poor people. On 13 November, we will be distributing study material among the government school children to help them studying. On 27th November, distributing in food among the orphanage children. So I am glad to invite you all to help us in our campaign by supporting us. Again, thank you.
Thank you, Lewis, for your remarkable speech. I think we all had an exact idea about your future plans and your past campaigns. So next in the agenda is, so I would like to invite Leo Satira Dahamsar, Club Director of Chittagong Leo Club, Centennial Leo Club of Richmond College, for the introduction of the special guest, which will be followed by his speech.
Good evening to all. Leo Tarun Subhasinghe joined to Leonism in October 2014 as a member of Leo Club of Baddegama. In her family, her mother, Mrs. Hasanti Gunawardena, worked as a teacher, and her father, Mr. Parakram Subhasinghe, worked as a lecturer. Leo Tarun Subhasinghe is a proud product of Christchurch Girls College, Baddegama. and her higher education center was Vaunia campus of University of Jaffna. She was active and socialist good student in her school time period. She did many extracurricular activities in school. She was the head prefect of school in year 2019-10, and she was a member of School English Drama Society, member of Senior Western Band, Western and Eastern Choir, member of School Media Unit, and she also worked as a member of Girl Guiding Group in her school. In this young woman's Leo movement, she became as a director in the club in Leo Stikia 2015-16. Not only that, in this woman's Leo path, she became as the club secretary in Leo Stikia 2016-17, club president in Leo Stikia 2017-18, zonal director in Leo Stikia 2018-19, district treasurer in Leo Stikia 2019-20, and district contest director in Leo Stikia 2020-21. Her commitment and motivation with the capability to manage and balance work capabilities have been appreciated by countless number of Leo from the very beginning of her Leo career. She was able to hold many positions in her Leo stick career. Like that, she held position as Leo Youth Camp Secretary in 2018, Ceremonial Session Secretary in A2 Con 18, Fundraising Chairman A2 Con 19, Business Session Secretary in A2 Con 20, Fundraising Chairman A2 Con 20. In her Leo journey, and it would be a great benefit to Leo Club of her. She is an energetic leader working towards the betterment of youth leaders of this moment of Leo. Because of her great movement and work as a Leo in Leonism, she won awards of DP Appreciation Award in Leo Sticker 2017-18, 2019-20, Most Outstanding Club President, second runner-up Leo Sticker 2017-18, Club President Excellence Award in 2017-18, Most Outstanding Council Officer, second runner-up in Leo Sticker 2019-20, among top 10 Leos in Leo Sticker 2020-19-20. And she currently serving as the Chief Council Coordinator for School, Clubs, and now she is working as Assistant Accountant at Victoria Sacred Corporation. Now I cordially invite Tarun Subhasimha to address the gathering.
Thank you, Satyara, for that wonderful introduction of myself. Hope I'm audible to everyone. And good evening, everyone. Chairman of today's meeting, Leo Kulit, Club President of Centennial Leo Club of Richmond College, Sri Lanka. Leo Sipat, Club President of Leo Club of Chittagong Emerging Centennial, Bangladesh. Chief guest of today's meeting, our very own past district president of Leo District 306A2, Leo Mudit Jayasekara. Guest of honor, Lion Muhammad Amzad Hussain, Regional Chairperson, Lions District 315B4. Guest of honor, Leo Mehdi Hassan, past district secretary of Leo District 315B4. Dear Leo advisors, staff advisors, Lions, and my dear Leos. First of all, I would like to thank the chairperson of today's meeting and especially Leo Gaim Veerasinghe, International Relations Director of Leo District 306A2, for inviting me as the special guest of today's meeting. And I'm really honored to address you all on a virtual platform like this. And when I first got the invitation from Leo Gaimi, I was so happy to address this group of Alpha Leos. I have worked very closely with the Leos of Centennial Richmond College from their beginning, and it's a great pleasure to meet another group of youngsters in the same age group. And this is the first time I'm addressing a community-based Alpha club, because in Sri Lanka, as per my knowledge, we don't have community-based Alpha Leo clubs, and hope our chief guest also agree with me on that statement. And as I know, Leo Club of Centennial Richmond College is performing really well over the past few years. And I must appreciate Leo Kulit and his team, and especially their staff advisor, Lady Lion Prasangi Kiringoda, and their Leo advisor, Lion Hasita Jayaratna, for the wonderful job they are doing over the past years. And a big shout out goes to Kulit and his team for doing all the wonderful projects and trying to help the people around them. And when I listened to Leo Sifat also, I got to know how well they are performing in Bangladesh. And I think I must appreciate Leo Sifat and his team and all the Leos of Leo Club of Chittagong Emerging Centennial Bangladesh for their wonderful work towards the betterment of the community, betterment of everyone in their community. And as I know, all the members of both the clubs are either schooling or doing their higher studies, if I'm not mistaken. And hope with that, I hope you all are balancing your education and Leonism very well. And because a successful balance of both these activities only will lead you towards self-satisfaction at the end of the day when you look back. And if you have failed to balance these two functions, you either feel stressed or worried, or it's at the end of the day, there's no point of putting a lot of effort to one activity and just giving up the others. So let's always put an extra effort other than not just doing these two activities. Let's put some extra effort to balance Leonism and your studies, I think. And for that, we really appreciate you are doing volunteering, Leonism and other extra activities. But always remember your studies comes first, and your first responsibility is becoming a well-educated person, not only with the grades, but with all the aspects. And it's not only be the qualifications, but you should have the to stand alone on your own feet. You should be an educated person one day, and I think that's what your parents and families are also looking forward, and it will always add a value to your life. If you are not educated, sometimes people might not sometimes you might not recognized in the society. So that's the first thing I wanted to share with you all. And to do that, you all have to, it's better to have a schedule or either an idea to prioritize your work. What are the work what are the work or what are the tasks you have to perform, and this might be in terms of your academics or Leonism. And if you are doing any other extracurricular activities also, you can apply this. You can get this applied to your life. And first identify what are the tasks or what are the duties you have to perform always. And always try to pick what are the priorities. So it's not, sometimes it's not good to put a lot of effort to the work which are not that important, and just letting go the most important work. So as students now, we do that now. As a person who's working, I do that mostly with my work and my personal life. I always try to prioritize what are the things I have to do first, and what are the things I should not do, and what are the things I have to put a lot of effort. So likewise, you also can prioritize your work and work according to a schedule. This, you should not need to put this in a piece of sheet or write somewhere. Just have an idea. Just have a schedule on your mind, what work to do first and what to take at the later part. And always try to take breaks when you have exams or when you have to perform special tasks in Leonism or other extracurricular activities. You always can switch between the roles, and always do what is comfortable for you. Just don't try to go for what others ask you to do. Always try to do what is comfortable for you, because too much of studying or too much of studying for long periods is also not good for your mental health and physical health as well. You can have you can break your study segments into small into like Now we know that in Sri Lankan schools, we have periods, means we have time frames for each and every subject per day. Usually for one day we are learning one subject only for like 40 to 45 minutes. We are not exceeding that. So because at your age, at your age, students only can grab things for that period. If you're going beyond that, it might like putting water to an overflowing bucket or something. So when you're studying, always try to keep that limited to 40 to 45 minutes at once, and then you can take a break, and then again you can start working. So when you're taking a break, you can just go around your house, do some stretching exercises, do something you like, but don't try to drag it for like another 40 to 45 minutes. So always study for some time, take a little break, and you can always go back to your work. This will applies to Leonism as well. So just don't stress. You all can be good volunteers, but don't stress yourselves by overdoing Leonism as well. So as I said before, prioritize your work and enjoy the work you are doing. Enjoy the work you are doing. Then this will help you to maintain concentration levels and actually to ensure maximum retention of the things. Either either could be self-satisfaction. You might overdo Leonism and you might get rid of it. You might get fed up with that. So it won't give any addition to yourself or to the society. So always try to make it something interesting for you, and just do Leonism and do your studies at your comfortable levels. Don't try to cross your comfortable zones and do any of these stuff. And I know most of our Leos in Richmond College, and most of the students in Sri Lanka nowadays are studying online. I think the same thing might happen with Bangladesh Leos as well due to this pandemic situation. And I'm pretty sure you all are feeling bored and exhausted because now as a working person, we are also working fully online. Now we have come to that in everything we do, we have a cycle of the things where when we start things, it's very interesting for all of us, but with the time, when we have to do the same thing over and over again, there might be a declining stage. And now in my experience, now sometimes I feel bored or exhausted to do work online. So the same thing could be happen to you as well. You are not seeing your friends, you are not seeing your teachers, you're not going out of your house. So it's the same, it's always seeing only your family. So this might sometimes give negative effects, but always think about the benefits of these online platforms. It always saves your travel time, it always helps you to save, it always saves cost. Now usually if you're going school, you have to pay for your transportation, but when you're studying at home, you can save that cost. So likewise, and most importantly, the time you spend on the roads. In Sri Lanka, we usually spend a lot of time for traffics, and I think Bangladesh also, there could be a possibility for that. So you all are saving that time as well. You can use that time for something important or something interesting, like trying out a new hobby. Likewise, and always try to think about the benefits of these online platforms. And today meeting is also one great example for that. And if not an online platform, Richmond Leos will never get a chance to have a general meeting with the Leos of Bangladesh, unless you guys visit Richmond Leos visit Bangladesh, or Bangladesh Leos coming to Sri Lanka. And most importantly, I might not get an opportunity to address the beloved Leos of Bangladesh like this. So I kindly request you all to take all the youngsters to take maximum advantage of this online platforms and always try to stay away from negativity. Over the past few months in Sri Lanka, also we heard certain circumstances which arose from with the negative impact of using mobile phones and these online networks and stuff. So that is my final request to you all. Always, from everything, just take out the good thing.
Hello, Tarani. You are mute. Please unmute yourself.
Am I on mute for the all throughout?
Yeah. No. For 30 seconds.
Yeah, because I didn't click on anything. I think something happened with the meeting. Okay. So with that, I think I might not spend a lot of time because we have some special guests, some very important people to address you all as well. So with that, once again, I would like to thank everyone for inviting me, and I'm really sorry because after I got the invitation from Leo Gaimi, I had to plan. I had some other personal commitments, and I'm not at home. That's why you're having all these interruptions as well. So I would like to apologize for that as well. And once again, I would like to thank everyone for inviting me as the special guest of your monthly general meeting. And with that, I hope all the Leos of Leo Club of Centennial Richmond College and Leo Club of Bangladesh will stay safe and do your best to help everyone in your communities. And at the end of the day, you will become successful young group of people to the society. Thank you, everyone. Good night. Stay safe.
Thank you, Tarani, Leo Tarani Subasinghe ma'am, for your awesome speech. It was a great speech, and I hope all the Leos will follow your advice. And I am very inspired by your speech. So next in the agenda is the entertainment item, which will be done by the Leos from Sri Lanka. So I would like to invite Leo Anup Prasandal for the performance.
එදා වගේ
හිමිලෝකේ ඔබ සරණයි අම්මේ රැදහවල් මට සෙවනල්ලක් මේ සුවඳ
Thank you, Liano Prasandal, for entertaining us. So I would like to invite Liu Mainuddin Ahmed Zishan for the introduction of our special guest, Liu Mehdi Hassan, which will be followed by his speech.
Lion Mehdi Hassan. Now I am in presenting introduction of Lion Mehdi Hassan. Lion Mehdi Hassan is a visionary youth leader. He was born 1st May 1989 at Shondip, Chittagong, Bangladesh. He was past district secretary of Leo District Council 315 before Bangladesh. Now he is leading Lions Club of Chittagong, emerging Shondip as club secretary. Now I am presenting some information about Lion Mehdi Hassan. There are some personal information about Lion Mehdi Hassan. Her father name was Musa Mia, mother name was Sufia Begum. Her permanent address is 173 Nutun Alombari, Islami Bank Lane, Ward No. 9, Villa Haramia, Post Shondip 4300, Upazila, Shondip District, Chittagong, Bangladesh. His date of birth is 1st May 1989. His blood group is O positive. Her marital status was married. Religion is Islam Sunni. He is happily married with one kid. Now he is working as assistant manager of P2P family. Social career of Lion Mehdi Hassan. District and club post. District Secretary, Leo District 315 before 2018 to 2019. Leo District Joint Treasurer, Leo District 315 before 2017 to 2018. Durante Leo Youth Club Treasurer, Leo District 315 before 2018. Zone Director, Leo District 315 before 2016 to 2017. Club Vice President, Club Vice President, Emerging Shondeep Leo Club 2013 to 2015. Club Joint Secretary, Emerging Shondeep Leo Club 2011 to 2012. Membership Development Chairman, Shondeep Leo Club 2008 to 2009. Club member, Shondeep Leo Club 2008. Life member, Shondeep Section from 2015. Life member, Shondeep Education Society from 2014. President, Business Club FBA USTC 2014 to 2015. Member, Chittagong College. Member of Chittagong College English Alumni Association. That's all.
Thank you very much, Lius. Hello everyone. This is Mehdi from Liu District 315B4. The presiding officer, the chief guest, Liu Modi Jaisekara, first district president 306A2, Lion Amjad, region chairperson, district 315B4, chief coordinator for school club 306A2, and the list, the leaf club advisor, Lion Sadingdha. Am I right? So hello everyone. I hope so all are you in good, and I'm feel honored to have you and with you for a moment, for a time. It's very interesting for me to have you and join with you to share views with you, Lius. And you know, the Lius can connect not just for in between countries like Bangladesh, but we are now in international, like you, Lius, and especially the Lius of from Alpha Club, like Liu Club Richmond College and Liu Club Centennial. Okay, guys. This is very impressive to hear you, Lius. I heard your the very opening program, like treasurer report, secretary report, and president speech. All of you doing good and doing better. And I also heard some programs that you have taken and that you have done in earlier. It's very wonderful job you Lius did, and keep growing with the very good programs, and also the leadership, the leadership you can earn from such type of programs. And I have opportunity to meet the Lius from Sri Lankan, like Bilaksi. You maybe know Bilaksi. She is my friend, and I met her in Isami Forum 2017 in Kolkata. And you, Lius, Sri Lankan Lius, came in Bangladesh in our all the youth camp like Kaksas Bazaar, and all goods, all you are in goods and mighty. Okay, and the Leo's chief coordinator, Miss Tairani, she gives us some tips, some knowledge about educations and leaderships. I think this is very much effective and knowledgeable for us and our youth also. I'm feel honored to have invited by the youth, and I think you all in good, and we are all in a great pandemic period in COVID-19 for 1.5 years almost, and the educations are very much lost by ourselves. We always try to should try to involve in study first, then you should go for the social program or extracurricular activities. We should come first our education. So keep focus on educations, and then we are go for the social work and the extracurricular activities. So, and keep mind, we should always follow our fathers and mothers' instruction as well. They are very much caring for us, and try to touch with them. And at least I am I'm trying to say you that do what you are trying to and make you happy. All the moments you live should try to do what you have make happy, you make interesting, you and just you make so energy. So this is from my side, and best of luck. Keep growing and keep growing. Long live Leoism, long live Lionism. Thank you all.
Thank you, Lion Mediasan sir, for your remarkable speech. It is a great speech. It has it's a great speech. Thank you for your speech. And now we will move on. Now we will. Now I would like to invite Liu Naima Sultana Ohi for the introduction of our guest of honor. For the introduction of our guest of honor, which will be followed by his speech.
Hello there, it's Namia Sultan Ohi, a member of the Emerging Centennial Club. So now I'm gonna introduce our guest of honor, Lion Muhammad Amzad Hussain. Muhammad Amzad Hussain, Region Chairperson 2020 to 2022, Lions Club International, District 315B4, Bangladesh. So as a Leo, he was the 2005 organizer and charter president of Leo Club of Chittagong Sandip, District 315B4, Bangladesh. 2006 to 2007, nominated as Zone Director for Leo District Council, District 315B4, Bangladesh. 2007 to 2008, nominated as Region Director for Leo District Council, District 315B4, Bangladesh. 2008 to 2009, nominated as Region Director Headquarter for Leo District Council, District 315B4, Bangladesh, and till continue to 2010. 2011, organizer and guiding lion of Leo Club of Chittagong Emerging Sandip, District 315B4, Bangladesh. 2017, organizer and guiding lion of Leo Club of Chittagong Emerging Centennial, ever first Alpha Leo Club in the District 315B4, Bangladesh. So he achieved 100% President Award in 2005 to 2006. Also achieved Best Leo President Award from Leo District President Leo District Council, District 315B4, Bangladesh. And as a Lion, he was the 2011 organizer and charter secretary of Lions Club of Chittagong Emerging Sandeep, District 315B4, Bangladesh. 2013 Vice President of Lions Club of Chittagong Emerging Sandeep, District 315B4, Bangladesh. 2014 to 2015 President of Lions Club of Chittagong Emerging Sandeep, District 315B4, Bangladesh. 2016 to 2017 as District Chairperson, Lions Club International, District 315B4, Bangladesh. 2017 to 2018, 2018 to 2019, and 2019 to 2020 as Zone Chairperson with Club, Lions Club International, District 315B4, Bangladesh. 2020 to 2021 and 2021 to 2022 as Region Chairperson, Lions Club International, District 315B4, Bangladesh. So in this view, he achieved the Best Secretary and Best Organizer Award from District Governor 2011, Lion Muhammad Aslam Chaudhuri, PMJF. Achieved Best Lion 2 times, Best President in 2014 to 2015, Best Zone Chairperson 2017 to 2020, and awarded as a Region Chairperson in 2020 to 2021. So if we look at his academic life, he earned his secondary school certificate from Musapur Haji Abdul Batten High School, Sandeep, Chittagong. Higher secondary certificate from Chittagong College, Chittagong. Bachelor's degree in sociology from the University of Chittagong and MBA marketing from the International Islamic University, Chittagong. So now in profession, he is working as Assistant Manager, Sales and Marketing of Bizit Steel Industries Limited in Chattogram. So now I would like to invite our guest of honor, Lion Muhammad Amjad Hussain, for giving his valuable speech. Lion Muhammad Amjad Hussain.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Master of Ceremony. Hello. They are all participating officers of the International Joint General Meeting. I would like to thank you also the chief guest, the first Leo District President, Leo District 30682, Leo Mohit Jayashakara, special guest, special guest Leo Mahdi Hassan, Honorable First District Secretary and Treasurer, Lions Club Chittagong Emerging Sandeep, District 315B4, special guest and chief coordinator for the school clubs, Leo District 30682, Leo Tarini Shubhasinghe. They are all participating Leos and guests. Very, very good evening to all, as well as the Leo advisor, all Leo members, all Lion participants. I am very much delighted to see our Leos to build a follow-up fellowship with other Leos, other Leo clubs, district and multiple district, and now Leo district of beyond the country level. A good sign of leadership, which is one of the core value of Leoism. Besides your social and welfare service work, you were advised to keep up such cross-cultural fellowship meeting for learning, as well as build up yourself for your career. I believe by your service and leadership skill, one day you will cross the continental boundary level also. I convey my special thanks to all Leos of Centennial Leo clubs and the Richmond College of Sri Lanka to provide us such an opportunity for the International Joint General Meeting, with our Emerging Centennial Leo clubs. Emerging Centennial Leo club is the first Leo club, the first Leo, Alpha Leo club in the District 315B4 Bangladesh. I wish all of you excellence Long live Livism, long live Livism, long live Bangladesh, long live Sri Lanka also. Thank you all.
Thank you, Lion Muhammad Amzad. Thank you for your remarkable speech, and your words always inspired me. And I hope all of us will all you follow your advice. And once again, thank you for your speech.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir. So next in the agenda is another entertainment item from Bangladesh. Next in the agenda is another entertainment item, which will be done by the Bangladesh News. So now I invite you, Tarani. I invite you, Samia Sultan Ohi, to perform it.
Hello all, it's Namia Sultan Ohi, a member of Leo Club of the Chittagong Emerging Centennial, District 315, B4, Bangladesh. So I'm a student of class 9 and today I'm going to represent a combination of song and poetries in Bengali language. এত স্নিগ্ধ নদী কাহার কোথায় এমন ধূম্র পাহাড় কোথায় এমন হরিত ক্ষেত্র আকাশ তলে মিশে এমন ধানের উপর ঢেউ খেলে যায় বাতাস কাহার দেশে এমন দেশটি কোথাও খুঁজে পাবে না কো তুমি সকল দেশের রানী সেজে আমার জন্মভূমি সেজে আমার জন্মভূমি সেজে আমার জন্মভূমি কখনো আকাশ যেখানে অনেক হাসি খুশি ভরা তারা কখনো সাগর যেখানে স্রোতের তরঙ্গ দিশাহারা কখনো পাহাড় যেখানে পাথর চিরদিন জেগে থাকে কখনো বা মাঠ যেখানে ফসল সবুজের ঢেউ আঁকে কখনো বা পাখি শব্দ ছড়ায় গাছের পাতায় ডালে যেসব শব্দ অনেক শুনেছে কোনো এক দূর কালে সব কিছু নিয়ে আমাদের দেশ একটি সোনার ছবি যে দেশের কথা কবিতা ও গানে লিখেছে অনেক কবি এ দেশকে আমি রাত্রি ও দিন চিরকাল ভালোবাসি সব মানুষের ইচ্ছার কাছে খুব যেন কাছে আসি এ দেশকে নিয়ে আমার গর্ব প্রত্যহ চিরদিন দেশের জন্য সব কিছু নিয়ে বাঁচব রাত্রি দিন ও আমার দেশের মাটি তোমার পরে ঠেকাই মাথা ও আমার দেশের মাটি তোমার পরে ঠেকাই মাথা তোমাতে বিশ্বময়ীর তোমাতে বিশ্বমাতা আঁচল পাতা ও আমার দেশের মাটি তোমার পরে ঠেকাই মাথা খেলাঘর পাতা আছে এই এখানে স্বপ্নের ঝিকিমিকি আঁকা যেখানে এখানে রাতের ছায়া ঘুমের নগর
চোখের পাতায় ঘুম ঝরে ঝড় এইখানে খেলাঘর পাতা আমাদের আকাশের নীল রং ছাউনিতে এর পরিদের ডানা দিয়ে তৈরি দেয়াল প্রজাপতি রং মাখা জানালার জাল তারা ঝিকিমিকি পথ ঘুমের দেশের এইখানে খেলাঘর পাতা আমাদের ছোট বোন পারুলের হাতে রেখে হাত 7 ভাই চম্পার কেটে যায় রাত কখনো ঘোড়ায় চড়ে হাতে নিয়ে তীর ঘুরে আসি সেই দেশ চম্পাবতী এইখানে আমাদের মানা কিছু নাই নিজেদের খুশি মতো কাহিনী বানাই আয়ে তবে সহচরি হাতে হাত ধরি ধরি নাচিবি ঘেরি ঘেরি গাহিবি গান আয়ে তবে সহচরি হাতে হাত ধরি ধরি নাচিবি ঘিরে ঘিরে গাহিবি গান আন্তবে বীণা আন্তবে বীণা সপ্তম সুরে বাঁধতব তান আয়ে তবে সহচরি হাতে হাত ধরি ধরি নাচিবি ঘিরে ঘিরে গাহিবি গান Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Ma'am Sultana Ohi, for your entertaining.
It's a wonderful song and rhymes as well. Thank you.
So next in the agenda, I would like to invite Leo Anup Prasandar, Club Director of Centennial Leo Club of Richmond College, to introduce the chief guest of this occasion, Leo Modit Jayashekara, the past district president of the Leo District 306A2, Sri Lanka.
Thank you, Chairman. As a charismatic person with a humble persona, Leo Mudit Jayashekara was the guiding figure of the Leo District 306A2 for the Leo's decade 2019 and 2020. Being the symbol of the resilience throughout his Leo career, he proved to be another beacon of light to escort A2 to greater heights. Being introduced into the Leo movement in 2012 as a club member of Leo Club of Polka Soldier, he first functioned in the club board in the year 2013 and 14. He was fortunate to become the club president of the Leo Club of Polka Soldier in the year 2015 and 16, and under his guidance led them towards a successful Leoistic year. In the year 2016 and 17, Leo Mudit was the district treasurer of the Leo District 306A2 and the Centennial coordinator for the Leo Multiple District 306. Later, in 2017 and 18, he was the chief administration coordinator of the Leo District 306A2. Furthermore, in the year 2018 and 19, he acted as a regional director for Region A of Leo District 306A2, and also as the Multiple District Assistant Secretary of the Leo Multiple District 306. In the year 2019 and 2020, he was the district president for the Leo District 306A2, and also in the year 2020 and 2021, he acted as the Multiple District Secretary of the Leo Multiple 306. He is currently serving as the Chief Administration Coordinator in the Leo Multiple 306 Council. His journey in Leoism flourished, and he was further able to be a part of organizing committees of several events within the Leo district and Leo multiple districts arena as follows. In 2015, Secretary for the District Talent Show of Leo District 306A2 El Talento 15. 2016 committee member in the Isami Secretariat and co-chairman of Isami Administration Committee. In 2018 to 19, he functioned as the chairman of the registration committee of the first ever leadership symposium Trailblazer 2018 and chairman of the Leo President's Camp 2018, chairman of the business session of the 14th annual Leo District 306A2 conference, chairman of the conference steering committee of Leo Multiple District 306 in 2018 to 19. Leo Mudith is a proud product of Prince of Wales College, Moratua. He holds his bachelor's degree in computing from the University of London Metropolitan, UK. Furthermore, he holds an MBA from the University of Wales Trinity St. David. In profession, he is presently engaged in the field of digital content development and innovation and is working as a product manager, Agritech of Group Sustainability at Dialogue Axiata PLC. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Leo Anuk, for introducing myself to this special meeting, I would say. So I'm delighted to see the faces of these wonderful Leos from around the world, I would say. So we are not being limited to this country, but to the world today. So nice to be here with the Bangladeshi Leos as well. And it's wonderful to be a part of this wonderful session. So to start off with, let me first mention about the presidents, presiding officers here, Leo Mahibur Rahman and Leo Kulit Satsindu from our Leo clubs that are organizing this event today. Leo Club of Chittagong Emerging Centennial and Leo Club of Centennial Richmond College. So firstly the presidents and then our guest of honor, distinguished Lion Muhammad Amzad Hussain, the region chairperson of Lions District 315B4, and the special guest Leo Mehdi Hassan, the past district secretary of the same district 315B4 from Bangladesh, and Leo Tarini from my own district, whom that is the most special person here today, I would say. She is the chief coordinator for school clubs. So the Richmond Leos will hold true and hold very special the moment to be with their chief coordinator for school clubs and from A2 district of Sri Lanka. And also special mention to the Lion Rafiqul Alam FCMA, who's the advisor of this Lions Leo Club of Chittagong Emerging Centennial, and also Lion Hasid Jayaratna, the advisor of Centennial Richmond College, and also special thanks to the staff advisor, Lion Prasangi Kiringoda Madam, and also especially the coordinator between all these parts of this occasion, Leo Gaimi Veerasinghe, whom that is the International Relations Director, whom that is doing a wonderful job in bridging our Leos internationally. So that is my start. The start took more than one minute, I would say. So to the friends of Bangladesh, I would firstly start to address, because Bangladesh is very close to us from the years, to me, especially from the year 2016, as our special guest Mehdi also mentioned about this Isami Forum. It was very wonderful. It was very cool to be along with the Leos from Bangladesh at that event when we hosted the Bangladeshi and all the Isami region Leos from around the Isami region in Sri Lanka in the year 2016 in the first ever Leo Isami Forum in Sri Lanka. So I was a part of it, and I think it was a great opportunity to see Leos of Bangladesh. Special mention to Leo Rokon, Leo Mehdi Bahadur, and also there were some other special Leos whom that I can't remember at this moment, whom that were long-term friends from that time onwards. So this is another reawakening and another place, another time that we rejuvenate the memories that we had as Leos in the world. So to especially start off, I think I should mention about the two Leo clubs whom that are doing this event today, especially because they've been Alpha Leos. I think it's very special that they are doing something extraordinary like this. So to mention, I think in our country, we very much lack Alpha Leos in the community clubs. Apart from our district doesn't have much of exposure to that, but the other districts, like we have some other districts, like one district is the district A1, which had, I think, some community clubs which are Alpha Leo clubs. I think Tarani also mentioned about that, and Alpha community clubs. And I think this is a special mention and a special exposure for our Leos to meet and greet people from their own fraternity, I would say. So Leos of Richmond has been hailing from the southern part of our country, and they are the kings there, and they're actually doing a job which is more than that. They're doing something to uphold the name of Leoism and to make sure that Leoism goes beyond horizons, I would say. So that is what Leos of Richmond has been to me. And this marks another special moment to recognize their efforts and in doing Leoism and making sure Leoism gives away the talents for all the youth in the country. And to mention about the Leos of Chittagong Emerging Sentinel, I think y'all spoken very well, y'all told very well about yourselves, the things that y'all been doing, the things that y'all been conducting over the last few years. And I saw a few posts and everything on your Facebook page as well. I was going through. And it's very wonderful to see such an amazing Leo club joining hands with our Richmond Leos to do something like this. This is very special. So especially a big thank you to both the presidents, Leo Mahabur and Leo Kulit, for doing this sort of a wonderful occasion. So my topic would be about personal impact. So I just skim through the economies, the socialities, the communities that we are living in both Sri Lanka and also Bangladesh. Bangladesh is also very connected to me in some ways, because the way that I work in my career also, we have some ties working with Bangladesh especially. And the economies are very much touching, and we are very much of discussions. We are having discussions on those because both these economies in these countries are somewhat emerging in our country, a lot developed in Bangladesh over a period of very shorter time. And even though that development is soaring in these countries, there are some issues that actually impacts our lives in our communities. As the President I think Leo Mahabur also mentioned about that. There are communities that are very poor at some point, and Leoism has made strides in doing some sort of upliftments for those communities. So in that aspect, I think Leos have a big responsibility in making sure that their personal impact is being felt across the communities. So let me take some numbers, and the first number is 3. 3 means 3 billion people will be joining to the middle class of the world by 2030. And also the next number is 6. That is, the global warming would be increasing and reaching around 6 degrees by the year 2030. And the number 12 is the next one, the number of cities where over 1 million people, like we have in the past, it was around 12 cities that had over 1 million people comprising, but now we are closely reaching towards reaching a number of around 500 cities that has over 1 million population. So see the way the world is changing, see the way this impact is necessary for our communities, because when we see a lot of people joining the middle class, that means there will be occasions where resources in the environment, maybe the productions and everything is lacking, and scarcity would be there. And also when the degrees, I told that 6 degrees global warming would be reaching by 2030. And that is also something awakening us if we are not limiting our CO2 emissions. And since CO2 and all the carbon and everything, anything that relates to global warming, any gases or anything that is coming out, emitting, has been increasing, it's been peaking over these years. So if that goes on, this would be the number that we see in 2030 in terms of global warming. And also, I told that there are cities that are increasing in number of population, and it's over 500 cities by 2030. And that actually tells us a story that this century is about, the century that we are living in is about, I would say, congestion. It would be a lot of people, a lot of issues that are rising. So that means these are all numbers that I got from the internet through some speakers that has been talking about these sustainable models, I would say. So this actually tells us that the personal impact that we give to our community, being Sri Lankans, being Bangladeshis, I think it's very important, because we need to make sure that we act decisively, and we also make strides and make efforts to do I would say we can't do any, we can't change what the climate, but the things that we do would actually do have some adverse effects on the climate. So we can be champions of that change towards a good thing. And also the cities are being developed, the resources are being made very rare. So the demand for energy is also upbringing. So that means we need to make sure that we move on towards sustainable models in our lives. Everyone has a responsibility. So sustainability has become the new norm for us, even though we don't see it in our normal lives. So sustainability in the gone days, it was like you can have it like something nice to do. It's something nice to do. Do sustainable things, do that, achieve this goal, SDG this goal, and everything. But now, slowly, but sadly, it has become a must do. Like sustainability is a must do for us to, if we want to live another decade of a happy life. So as Leos, I wanted to connect this, the personal impact the Leos would actually be giving would be the best in terms of volunteer work that is being carried out all across the world. So make sure as Leos, as you all are doing a step like this, as you all are doing something like this, to make sure you all come together and share your thoughts, share your ideas, and making sure a common model is being derived. I think this is about sustainability. So you all need to focus and see what sort of a sustainable model that you all can come up towards serving your communities, towards serving your socialities in your countries, and also always call them to become your customers. Make sure that you all are doing some sort of a service towards your customers. Your customers are the community that you all are living in. So as both the presidents mentioned, Leo Mahbur and Kulip mentioned, y'all are planning, maybe y'all are raising funds, maybe y'all are doing campaigns on awareness, y'all are doing some new things, new initiatives and everything. Make sure those bring in impactive measures towards the communities that y'all are living in. And make sure y'all are running in two countries whom that have very good necessities, very good level of resources given to you, and everything is there, even though there are issues in terms of maybe governance, but y'all need to do yourselves responsibilities and make sure y'all are trying to build products that are very easy, very affordable, and very attractive. The products should not be something that you sell. It should be yourself. The product is you. You need to make sure that y'all are very easygoing. Y'all are very much affordable, means y'all are being there with everyone. Everyone can have you to maybe to get something done, maybe to get a community being uplifted, and make sure y'all are very attractive. Y'all are. So make sure that is being kept all towards the coming months, years, and all the lifetime that we are having. So make sure y'all are bringing good quality initiatives, good projects, and everything in the name of Leoism, because Leoism is about not just doing projects to the community, but just about uplifting yourself, right? So uplifting means y'all are bringing and doing and creating good product of yourself. So make sure y'all practice that every time. That is my only advice. That is my only requirement. And I think that would be the thing that all these guests here today would be standing across. So they would also be with me in green to this, I guess. And this is about sustainability in our community. So two countries that are very equal in their lifestyle and everything. I think y'all are very talented. We saw that y'all were singing, y'all were playing musical instruments. I think that is very wonderful, and y'all are still alpha Leos. That is the best and the special most thing, because y'all have a lot more time to do great things more than this. So y'all have kept the first step as always, and y'all just have to make sure that you connect the dots very properly. So that is my, I would say, the message and the request both. And make sure that you keep an eye on those numbers that I told, 3, 6, and 12. 3 billion people joining the middle class, 6 degrees. We are reaching towards global warming by 2030. We are not to limit our emissions or anything, if we are not to do anything on those. 12, the number of cities we had over 1 million people, but now it is closing on 500. So those are some things to keep your knowledge on, keep your focus on. Think as Leos, brainstorm with your club members, think what you can do differently, and make sure that you all are very attractive and very affordable and very easygoing. And make sure, as your special guest also mentioned, make sure that you all are comfortable in doing what you are doing. So that is my message too, and it's very wonderful to be here. As I said, a very good friendship that is being refreshed again, I would say, with Bangladesh. And Richmond Leo's very well done job, I think, today, with all the things falling in very greatly. And with hopes to meet again, I would like to thank again your advisors, Lion advisors, Leo advisors, everyone, Lions and everyone for always being there with you all. And I think that is very special in your lives. And special mention to all the Leo Club presidents, both the presidents, Leo Mahibur Rahman and Leo Pulit Satmindu. Wonderful work. Keep it up. Keep your bond going on. And as you said, make sure the projects that you plan towards the coming months is very successful, because you all have a very good coordinator, a very good bridging person in the middle. So I'm not going to tell more about that. You all know what to be done. So make sure that you all come up with good and sustainable models of projects in your life, in your career in Leo as well. So wishing all the very best. Nice meeting you all. Nice meeting our friends from Bangladesh. And I think this is another refreshment that we have for our friendship. And let's see, let's hope to meet in person in the coming months, as in the coming years, maybe in an Islamic forum or something. So wishing everyone good luck, and with hopes to meet again. All the very best to everyone. Good night.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you, Leo Mehdi.
Thank you, sir, for your speech. It was a great piece, and I'm very inspired with it.
Thank you, Leo Mahibur.
Thank you so much, Leo Mudit Jayasegara. Next, I invite the staff advisor of Chittagong Leo Club of Chittagong Emergency Centennial, Lion Rafiq Alman.
Kulit, Lion Rafiqul Alam FCMA. Sir, would you please? Sir, are you there? মেহেদি ভাই, আমাদের রফিক স্যার আছে?
Professor is connected in Zoom, but maybe he is missing or somewhere. Okay. I think he is busy with another work. You should proceed on the other speaker. Okay.
Right. Okay. Next, I invite the staff advisor of Centennial Leo Club of Richmond College, Lady Lion Prasangi Kiringode, to deliver the closing remarks.
মেহেদি, সবাইকে বলে দাও যে ইয়েতে জয়েন করার জন্য।
Good evening, everybody. Good evening, all Leos, Lions, both countries, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. I warmly welcome you all as friends of Sri Lanka Leos. Sri Lanka being, I think you can sort of idea about our Centennial Leo Club of Richmond College through my students of Centennial Leo Club of Richmond College. I think better you have to know about the Sri Lanka. What about the Sri Lanka country Sri Lanka? Sri Lanka being situated in the Indian Ocean, as Asians, we are bound together with fraternity for a long time, religiously. We are bound with sharing the religion Buddhism and knit together with visions of compassion and loving kindness. So we had mentioned this relationship of neighborhood for a long time. Amongst all these, now we need you as brother members of Internationally Leo Movement. Thereby, we are glad to meet you today as another club of Leos. I wish to mention that we are members of one family as partners of Leos and share goodwill, friendship and cooperation in reaching our aims and objectives with determinations in the sense of humanity. As human beings of this universe, our target should be to preserve the human rights as far as possible and extend this movement for the future generation. As a teacher, as well as a Buddhist, I believe that each and everybody in the universe are member of one family. It is our utmost duty should be to strengthen these ties ever through this Leo movement. So my responsibility to give the closing remarks. Before that, I have to give my profound thanks to Chief Guest Leo Mudit Jayasekara, past District 30682 from Sri Lanka. Thank you very much, Mudit. From starting to now, Mudit giving big support to Centennial Leo Club of Richmond College. I really appreciate Mudit. Then guest of honor, Lion Mohammed, Amsad Regional Chairperson, Lion Mohammed Amsad Hussain, Regional Chairperson, Lion District 315B4, and the special guest, Leo Mahidi Hussain, past District Secretary, Leo District 315B4. Again, I have to be mentioned, Leo Tarani Subasingha, Chief Guest, Chief Coordinator for School Clubs, Leo District 30682. She also giving big support to us from starting to this for the Centennial Leo Club of Richmond College. Then again, I might be give the big thank for the district Leo Gayumi Veerasinghe, District Director for International Relations, Leo District 30682. And our hosting club, Karapiti Alliance Club, I have to remind this moment. Especially, I have to remind my school club president, Leo Kulit, Leo Secretary, Leo Dumidu, Leo Treasurer, Leo Tamash, and all the other Richmond Leo family. And again, special thanks I have to be give and accorded to Gayumi Veerasinghe, Leo Gayumi Veerasinghe. She gave a big support and big sacrifice to propagate this type of international general meeting. Thank you very much, Gayumi, once again. Then I have to, as a closing remarks, my responsibility to give the, as well as a teacher in charge of the Centennial Leo Club of Richmond College, I must remind and thanks for all the president, all the Leo members of the Chetiko Emerging Centennial Leo Club members of Bangladesh, and the club president, Hifas. Now they did very good sacrifice and wasting time to do this, continue with our project, the general meeting. I think you are getting a big step to the internationally to conduct the Alpha Leo clubs through all over the world. So I wish you all the best for all of them. Thank you very much for all. Be safe. Good night.
Thank you so much, Lady Lion Prasangi Kiringoda. Now I would like to invite Leo Asif Muhammad, Secretary of the Leo Club of Chittagong Emerging Centennial, to propose the word of thanks.
Very good evening to all who gathered here on the International Joint General Meeting for the month of October. Centennial Leo Club of Richmond College, Sri Lanka, and Leo Club of Chittagong, Emerging Centennial, Bangladesh. As the secretary of the club, it is great pleasure to propose the vote of thanks to all those who helped to make this event a great success. First of all, I would like to extend my heartiest gratitude to Chief Guest Leo Mudit Jayasekara, Past District President, Leo District 30682. Guest of Honor Lion Muhammad Amjad Hussain, Region Chairperson, Lion District 315B4. Special guests Leo Mehdi Hassan, Past District Secretary, Leo District 315B4, and Leo Tharni Subasinghe, Chief Coordinator of School Clubs, Leo District 30682. Thank you for the strong guidance that you are giving us, and it would be impossible without your support and encouragement. And I also extended my gratitude to staff advisors of Centennial Leo Club of Richmond College, Lady Lion Prasangi Kiringoda, Leo Advisor of Centennial Leo Club of Richmond College, Leo Lion Hasita Jayaratne, and Leo Advisor of Leo Club of Chittagong Emerging Centennial, Lion Muhammad Rafiqul Alam, FCMA. We truly appreciate the generous support that you are giving us to our success. Next, my immense thanks goes to multiple district council officers of multiple district 306 and multiple district 315, district council officers of Leo District 306A2 and Leo District 315B4, my dear visiting Leos and Lions. And especially I would like to convey my thanks to Leo Gayami Virasinghe, District Director for International Relations of Lion District 306A2, and Leo Baijit Suman, Zone Director of Leo District Council 315B4, for their great help to make the event success. Executive Committee, Director Board, club members, and prospects of Centennial Leo Club of Richmond College, Leo Club of Chittagong Emerging Centennial for their valuable participation. It's a great pleasure to have such a loving family with support and spirit with us. At last, again, I'm thanking you all for being a part of International General Joint Meeting for the month of October of Centennial Leo Club of Richmond College, Sri Lanka, and Leo Club of Chittagong Emerging Centennial, Bangladesh. I wish all the best to all for a successful future. Thank you and stay.
Thank you so much, Leo Asif Muhammad. Now I officially terminate the Joint International General Meeting of the month of October. Thank you and have a good night.
Well done, everyone.
Thank you all for helping us and supporting us to make this meeting successful.
Gayami, are you there?
Good job, everyone. Nicely done.